Hello and welcome back to another awesome video. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Darryl and I'm the owner of Bristol Clear Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this Mercedes C220D. This is in for our Wax is Dead 18-month package, which includes all the prep works, so washing, decontamination, machine polishing, and obviously the 18-month coating on top. We're also doing a wheel refurb on this, so they originally had diamond cut wheels. We're going to do them nice bright silver, which will complement the calipers we've just painted in a dark kind of browny, bronzy sort of metallic colour. It's really nice. We've put this silver Mercedes-Benz logo over the top. We're also completing an interior deep clean on this, so the whole vehicle is going to go back to the owner as good as it can be, like new again, for a new lease of life really. But yeah, so obviously as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and please enjoy the video.
So I always block this bit of the video out purely for the reason that we've got our own methods and our own products which we use to do the job which we do, which is why it lasts so long, which is why it looks so good. And I don't want everybody copying it. So here's the before and you'll soon see the after. Enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right, so as you can see now, we're just cleaning the vehicle off with our Wax is Dead cleaner. This is an IPA based product, so it removes any oils, any greases or anything left behind, ready for ceramic. Enjoyed the video. So this is actually about maybe 3 weeks after we filmed what you've just watched, and this vehicle's come back in for its first wash. So I just want to show you, because we haven't shown what the vehicles look like afterwards or beading or anything like that, how easy they are to wash. So I'm going to add this on to the end of the video, just after me a bit of boring speech, and we'll show you what the coating actually does. So bear in mind, this vehicle's done almost 2,000 miles since it left us. We've had horrific weather, we've had rain, we've had bloody sludge, and it's icy out there now, so the roads have been gritted. This car does a lot of motorway miles by the sound of things. So I'll just do a quick walk around now. Obviously it's damp, so you're not really going to see like what I want to show you properly. but I want to show you the beading, I want to show you everything, so we'll get to that now. So as you can see, 2,000 miles and quite a lot of bad weather, and the car still looks pretty clean. This is one of the most impressive things about the ceramic coatings, is the hydrophobic capabilities. So even when the car does get dirty, if we have a heavy downpour or it rains or even just rinse the vehicle off, most of the dirt will come off. It's because the coatings are super hydrophobic. So yeah, obviously we've done the wheels, we've done everything. So the wheels have obviously taken a bit of a hit on the actual barrels themselves, but the faces don't look too bad. The calipers still look as good as the day we did them, which I would hope to see. And obviously you've got quite a bit of dirt on here, but it's only surface, it's only like dusty dirt, it's not clumps of mud. There's not loads of black sludgy dirt like you would see on a normal vehicle after 2,000 miles. It is very impressive. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. As you've seen from the previous video, we put our snow foam on, we rinsed that off so we didn't have any contact with that. Now we're going to use our 2-bucket method, so we've got shampoo and warm water in one, and then just clean water in the other one. So we're going to start from the roof down. You don't ever start anywhere else because obviously the further down the vehicle we go, the more dirt there is. So we're going to start on the roof, work our way down. We're going to do a panel at a time. And obviously remember you have 2 sides to your wash mat. So what we're going to do is start on the roof. You don't apply any pressure to the net. All we're doing is letting the weight of the net sit on the paintwork. We're not scrubbing, we're not doing anything like that. If you've got anything on there which won't come off, then there will be a chemical for it. So if you have tree sap, then you can use an insect remover. Obviously insects, you can use an insect remover, so on and so forth. So you may be thinking, if you've got your car ceramic coated, why do you need to then go and put another product on top? Well, it's about trying to extend the life of the coating you've got on there and give it every best chance that you possibly can. Obviously the coating is warranted anyway and it will last as long as it's looked after and it's not abused. But by doing this, you might get longer out of your coating. You're going to get more beading. It's going to be more beneficial to you. So for the sake of an extra couple of minutes, well, it's not even that, what you'll see in a second, it makes all the difference. So we've got a wheels bucket, we're just going to spray this with some cleaner. We're not going to scrub it, we shouldn't need to scrub it because everything's been coated. So we're just going to give it a little tickle and then hopefully it will come nice. So we've got our easy barrel brush. And we've got a little wash mat for the faces. So that is how easy it is to clean a coated car. That's the whole process. So your step 1 needs to be your snow foam, your step 2 needs to be your shampoo, your step 3 is obviously your ceramic foam. In between each one of those steps you need to be rinsing the vehicle. So when you're rinsing the vehicle, it's important to go around the edges of the panel first so you don't miss anything, and then colour it in as if you were doing colouring in a picture or painting a panel. So you see a lot of people that just stand by and just rinse all the snow foam off. Your snow foam is primarily to loosen the dirt, not to actually remove it. So it will remove the majority of it, but then the pressure from the actual water is what removes the dirt. So it's important to make sure when rinsing, you're doing that properly. But as you can see, this is how easy it is to clean a coated car. Don't forget to like and subscribe.